And sometimes I use Shrek tactics and just rush him.
Shrek tactics?
Yeah, he's Scottish. I just pick the shotgun up and just somebody wants through every single door.
I used to do that with Buck a lot. Like, I would just make a beeline for the freaking point.
Front door. She was looking kind of behind us, apparently.
Apparently.
Well, as the wild goose usually says, shit. But geese can't talk. But I assume that's what a goose would say. That should be like a nature narrator. As you can see, Green Meanie approaches the site, scoping out any competition. Don't shoot it, you idiot. Good job. Ooh, Rapture shoots a alibi because he's an idiot.
Watch out. It's gonna take its place. I can already hear it.
Buck has black ice on his weapon, I think.
No, I think that's just ice.
Once again, don't need your sass, Naman. I'm shaft casting right now. Ooh, nice frag there. And and he cannot get the kill off. But Rapture-kun is still going in. I think he has a learning disability, but we're not going to worry about that for right now. Ooh, Green Meanie with the sick peek. And Rapture-kun wins it for us all. Chaos is still the least likely to do anything cool with 0 kills right now. Will he turn it around? I don't know. Guess we'll have to wait and see. Puts on a headband.
Where's my bandana?
Teabag it! Wait, so are you in the middle of the room right now?
Oh wait, no, they're back. I gotta go. Okay, bye.
What a 1v1, just use the drink.
Maybe. Fucking
Okay,
chaos.
bitches!
Ooh, nice.
Sure, dude.
Fuck!
You opened that wall though.
Motherf...